All right, people, I got a great update for AAPL. In my opinion, AAPL is set up for higher prices still. Earnings just came out, and let's talk about the key support zones and this plan, and a couple of entry points into Apple. Okay, so Apple is set up here to test 152 to 155. I think they're gonna try to pop this here first before making another pattern again. And again, how we get here will be key. Okay. Again, confirmation is also key. Apple is in a bullish chop zone where 143.70 is a bullish support. So, and also 143. So let's see how we base above this key number, right? The May 19 150 calls could be used here, and I'm going to talk about these as well. We're going to talk about that. So keep in mind at this support level, what would be in a way to engage in some of these May 19 options, okay? Well, I like to see Apple break above 143, 147.30. I think that's a good bullish reversal zone, especially you want to see some strong volume as that's happening, okay? Another serious, now again, we might get above this and they might try to get towards this 148.30 and it could stop. I say it could stop. It could relax. They could, for all we know, I'm going to give you some points. They could base this within these zones. Okay, keep this in mind, right? But we'll have to see. But confirmation is I like to see how we smash through 147.30. Right, so we're looking for power through that level. Okay, so if there's a lot of volume as we approach this 147.30. That'd be a good sign. Now, keep in mind that this 148.30 zone is an area we want to be at, not just break above, but stay above it. In other words, basing above that. And it could base above that level for a little while and then try to go a little bit higher, right? But it's a bullish pivot point, and the most bullish pivot point is above this 148.30. Now, in another one of my plans, we hit exactly 148, and I want to show you this. Okay, so here I am at Yahoo Finance, and we're going to go inside this video here. I posted this on April the 24th. Let me go show you that. Actually, what I did is I just scrolled down my stream to April 24th where I posted this update. Let's go inside this video. So if you want to go see this for yourself, and I'm going to show you the confirmation. I want to show you what I said here and just exactly what happened. You know, I mean, I haven't seen anybody do anything like this. This is the facts. Alright people, so I'm in here inside the plan for April the 24th, and here's what I said. Apple is at a key pivot point where it could try to pop towards 148 before slowing down. Now, what did we do before we slowed down? We hit 148 and then they slowed down. They pulled it back and that was it. They couldn't get above 148 anymore. They went just a little bit above it, right? And these May 19 145 calls made some good money. Okay, this never confirmed on volume, but it did confirm on proper price action. It took a couple of days. It went a little bit against, but not much. Not compared how much it went for. All right, I'm on the, of course, on StockTwits here, and here on my stream you can see that April 25th at 10:10 a.m. I said Apple confirming on price power in with the May 19 145 call, so that's where I entered at 2.63, and needs to see more volume come in later in the day. And you know what, more volume did come in the day, but it was no big deal. And of course what happened was Apple, you know, just consolidated a few days more before really popping higher. So it was a tricky entry. I did talk about the resistance, but we smashed through the second resistance, which was around the 145 area, and of course then we hit 148 a few days later. As you can see throughout the day, you know, these May at around 11:15 a.m. you know, Apple did get right around that 148 area, and the 145 calls were at around 480. They hit about 480, 485. Not bad, not bad. Close to 100% gains. You know, not bad. Close to about 100% gains in a few days, very safely with these May 19 145 calls. Alright, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance board, and Apple closed at 147.51. Here's the May 19 calls here. Okay, let's go take a look at the 150 calls in case this can confirm. I like this because you can see there was a lot of options traded here. Look at this. You know, the 145s had 16,000 and have 45,000 open interest. And again, these are really good, but they're a lot more expensive now, right? And then you've got the 150 calls for May 19 trading at 190, and they're 17,000. So they had a lot of trading in this. I mean, the 155 is a lot of trading as well. Someone wants to consider these, they could, but you know, here's the 150s, and I bet you that the spreads will even tighten more for the 150s. So there you have it, and they're right now are at 190 for the 150s. We'll see if it can confirm Apple. All right, so I'm at the Apple chart. So again, what kind of power do we get above 143.70? I mean, they might need to play around with this. This is what I'm getting at, right? So it's one of those things where these are levels here are going to be levels, and I have to take a look at it. But in my opinion, we got the support level, we've got these resistance levels, um, and it's the same situation like back, like over here, right? So what happened is they slowly pulled us back, right? We confirmed on this day over here, they slowly pulled it back a little bit, and then they popped it up, and we went to that 148, exactly like my April 24th plan explained. You couldn't ask for a more solid plan. This plan here, same situation here. These are the two areas, and there could be some game playing. This is what I'm trying to say. Very short period game playing. So we want to make sure we see volume. I will make comments if I like this. I'm going to make some comments on this Apple trade, whether I enter this or not. I will say confirmation. Apple is confirming, and of course I'm going to put in the option price as well, and I will we'll take it from there, people. I gotta watch how this moves, right? So this is one of those things where I need to watch, but we have a plan here, a plan of action with key numbers to look at. These are key numbers to support the first reversal zone and the second major reversal zone, right? Getting above this level is a very, very, very bullish signal, but keeping above it as well. It's not simply getting above it. We want to stay above this level. As we do, get above it. All right, people. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the Sandro Power Target Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. You know, I post a lot of great videos, and this is a great place to check out updates in a very organized manner. Usually, I don't know how this looks like your screen, but you're going to have it tells you what happened, how many hours ago of a trade or a plan. Sometimes I have bullish plans and bearish, well, mostly bullish plans, but sometimes there's some nice, safe, bearish plans, and I post those as well for options. I have some strong, like KO, a nice one over here. Check this one out. Still good, looking good. Still can be good for entry. Anything above, check out this plan. Anyways, anything above 43.50 would be another bullish signal for entry for KO. Again, check out this for the option prices and everything. Confirmation is key. Confirmation is key. And again, Apple. This is a new Apple plan. And I'm going to post if I'm going to be entering this, if I like it, if it's confirming the way I like to see the action. I need to look at the charts, but we have the key numbers, and you got to be prepared. And we have the option plan. And if I need to make an update to the plan because we're not confirming the proper way, we need more time, so be it. But Apple's looking pretty solid. I think that they're setting this up to make much higher prices towards the end of the year. But this they could need to play around, and we're gonna have to watch those key levels. So there you have it, people. A great update. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos and more great plans for a lot of other stocks, not just Apple. There you have it, people. And by the way, I'm a long-term investor in Apple. Owned shares way back in the 82 area because the 7-1 split. Anyways, there you have it, people. Thanks for listening. And plus, I made tons of Apple winning trades. Just made a new one right now. Anyways, thanks for listening. Like the video.